What's up guys, welcome back to JS Detailing. Here we got a Lamborghini Huracan. We're doing some Exoshield on. James is over there doing the final trimming on it. We've already got the new film laid down. As you can see, it's nice and clear. The reason this customer came in, he just bought the car and it already had Exoshield on it, but the last owner didn't take the greatest care of it. And they actually had stripped some of the laminate off, and we saved the old film over here. And as you can see, it's not the clearest anymore. So we wanted to go ahead and give him a clear windshield again. So we stripped this old film off and went ahead and shrunk and installed the new film. And now everything's crystal clear again.